Choo! Hello everybody, this is Miss Jackie Russell and welcome to another Dollar Tree train. This time we are Cupid Winter. That's right, we are doing this just in time for Valentine's Day, and hopefully we'll give you a little look of all the things that you can purchase in your local Dollar Tree stores across the USA, because we have 11 channels and most of us all live in different states, and you will get to see a collective, display of what we found. And I don't know what we're going to all have in common, but we have our crew on board. There are 11 of us. You will need to be subscribed to all channels publicly, and you will need to comment on each video in order to qualify for the giveaway. That's right, we're going to have a giveaway at the end of this. But guys, who we have on board with us this time? We have Laura Wooten channel. That is her new channel that she's been working on. We have Mary, Catherine Loves Cats. We have Unboxing with Arlene. We have Favorites with Laura. We have Single Mom Reviews, and that's Cher. And we have Tracy and Chloe. And Tracy and Chloe are a mother-daughter team, and Tracy does our art. So any advertisements and or our thumbnails that you see with the Dollar Tree train are all done by Tracy. I may give her an idea, but she gives it all life. And we thank you very much, Tracy. You do such a wonderful job. We also have Katie's Corner of the World. We have Faye Blatcher with us, and we have Sue with Reviews with Sue, and we have Lori's Life. And I think you're familiar with all of us, and you know we do this once a quarter or every once in a while on special season, and today it's going to be geared toward either winter decor and or Valentine's. Mine is all Valentine's because by the time I went to the Dollar Tree store, there was no winter decor. They're putting out spring. So wow, I mean, everything comes out like 2 or 3 months sooner than the season actually gets here. And believe me, I would love to have some spring right now. We all picked 10 items, and we want you to rate us 1 to 10 how you like our personal hauls. This is not a competition. You just tell us what you liked. If you thought it was a great haul, give it a 10. If you thought it was well then give it a 4 or 5. If you thought it was terrible, well then I guess you'd have to rate us a 1. I hope none of us have a terrible haul according to you. We really do try to pick out some cute things. Now the first item I have is this cute little pink gnome. And this was just $1.25, so it's a pretty good sized gnome. I will say that it's just darling as it can be. You got your little girl braids there, and then of course all your bling bling there. But I thought that was really cute, and I liked that it was in pink. Now the next item I found was a little bit more on the decor as well, and it is this cute little teddy bear. I think it's a teddy bear. Do you think it's a bear or a puppy? To me it looks like a bear, and it has love, like a little love bear, and that was just adorable. I also found a pair of socks, and these are little gnome socks, and of course there's a little bit of pink in here, but we have some red there, and they're crew socks, so they're very, very cute. I found some other Valentine things. This is a pumice stone, I guess like for your feet or something, but it's got the XXO on it, and it's got the pumice stone on the other side so that you can use on your feet or your heels, wherever, you know, like when you're trying to get those calluses off. And the other thing that I found at the Dollar Tree this time was some makeup removal pads, and I thought that was really cute. I got them in blue because I don't think they had any pink. And then I also found some makeup blender sponges with the XO on there, all in a heart shape and just ever so cute. And one thing I found that I thought was just adorable, and the lady had to show this to me while I was checking out. She said, oh, go check out that memo pad. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's little llamas of little notepads. And I just thought that was adorable, and I don't know if that's really for Valentine's, but I just thought that was just really cute. And for $1.25, a good buy. You got to have some candy, all right? You got to have some chocolates for Valentine's. And I just love that with the little puppy on there. You guys know I have puppy dogs, and they're just wonderful. And they got a caramel, strawberry cream, orange cherry, and a cocoa truffle. Ooh, I'd probably like all of those. Now the other thing I found that you gotta have for Valentine's is some flowers. Now these flowers are like those Forever, except they're not real. Let's just put it that way. But they kind of come in that kind of package. It's the Happy Valentine's Day and very decorative. It has a rose box on there, and you can do a to and from, and it was on their $5 aisle. Everything else I showed you has been $1.25. And then the last thing I found was something for your kitchen, and has nothing to really do with Valentine's, more your decor. And it's a set, and I'm going to count as one. It'll be my number 10, and it is Don't Talk to Me Unless I Have Had My Coffee. I seen this and I just died laughing. I had to have my coffee. I am a big coffee drinker, so they had this nice little towel, and then they had little pot holders to go with it, and I just thought that was adorable, so I bought that as a set as my number 10. So those were the only things that I could find. Technically, I guess it was kind of like winter decor, because I asked her, where's the winter decor, and she said it's all gone. But hey, those are my 10 items. Let me know what your favorite is. Out of this, I'm going to have to say this is one of my favorites because that was really cute. I really liked the roses. Of course, I love gnomes, you know that. And then I really like my Don't Talk to Me Until I've Had My Coffee. So those were my favorites. You let me know what yours were. I'm not going to do a full recap because we got to get on to the giveaway. Now, the giveaway rules are you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must use the code word Cupid, C-U-P-I-D, and you must comment on all videos. I can't remember if I said that again, but it is very important to be publicly subscribed and comment on all videos. If you don't want to enter, then don't put their code word in. If they don't use a code word, then write in there here for support. I will tell you, it'll be a different winner for each channel, so you can't multiply win, so to speak, 2 or 3 giveaways. We will be choosing one and be announcing our winners in 2 weeks. It will end on February 11th. That's 2 weeks, and we will pick our winners and be announcing them the next few days. I always give a little grace period because, you know, things happen, people's schedules, they might be out of town, they may be getting ready to go on their Valentine's trip, so keep that in mind. But what my giveaway is in this little cosmetic bag, and this cosmetic bag came out of the All True bag, and it's a Terra Thread zipper pouch, 100% certified organic cotton, and it's really nice. And it's not lined on the inside, so you wouldn't want to have anything wet or anything get inside there. But what do I have in here for you? Well, you got to have some red lipstick for Valentine's Day, and it's called Pink Cherry is the color, so that's perfect. You're going to get you some Fox Box Girl Boss, and this is hard candy, and I believe this is a highlighter is what it looks like to me. It's a baked highlighter is what it is. You're going to receive some eyeliner pencils, kind of like in a brownish tone. You're going to receive a lip gloss by CoverGirl. You're going to receive some facial wash, and this is from the Body Shop with vitamin E. You're going to receive this little jewelry set right here, so you'll be all ready to maybe doll up for Valentine's Day or for another day. So you'll get this. It's by Lily Sky. And you're also going to receive some of these other items that I got in my Dollar Tree haul. You're going to get this alpaca notepad, which is just adorable. You're going to receive this Puna Stone XO. You're going to receive the makeup pads, cleansers, and you're going to get the makeup blender sponges, and you're also going to get these socks, the gnome socks. So that is my little giveaway. And if it's something that you're interested in, well then just use the word Cupid down in my description and you'll be entered as long as you have publicly subscribed and commented on all the videos. And I just keep reminding you all because I want you to be able to win. I can't tell you how many times we pick a winner and they are disqualified because they don't have all the things that you must have to be qualified, and most of the time it's being publicly subscribed. Now we've added in making a comment, so that's just 2 more things that you need to do in order to be qualified to win, and then use the code words in each video. I hope y'all had a great time with my little Dollar Tree haul. We try to keep them 12 minutes and under if we can. So if any of us go over, just give us a little grace. But as for today and the Dollar Tree train, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Choo choo! Happy Valentine's!